ask you a quick question. If your main source of income disappears tomorrow, how long will you survive? Most people rely on one paycheck, one business, or one client, and that's dangerous. Some years past, that's exactly what happened to me. And in this video, the solution, which is how to build multiple sources of income, will be unraveled.
Many people ask me, how can they build multiple sources of income? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build multiple sources of income very easily. Just watch it from head to toe, from beginning to end. And at the end of the video, you're not just going to have one source of income, two sources of income, but multiple sources of income. Sounds interesting, right? But the saddest part is, when people ask me this question, sometimes I feel sad, because some years past I was also asking the same kind of question. When I finally got answer to this, I moved from not just one source of income, two sources of income, but to multiple sources of income. I started selling suits, I started graphic designing, videography, I started YouTube. Like this cube that I'm holding, it's very simple to solve, but it's very complex. Building multiple sources of income, it's like moving this one. You can move and move and move and move without getting all the colors at one side. Meaning, it's not that easy. But just as gradually I'm fixing this, you see, there's improvement. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to build multiple sources of income. And as I always say, as a financial physicist, I'm going to use numbers and physics to break it down from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, all the way down to the lowest level for you to understand it perfectly. Let's just dive straight into it. You see, gone are the days that many people can just stick to one source of income and they'll be satisfied. But today, you'll be living in hell, because you will be in doomsday relying on just one source of income. Don't even try, because you are going to find yourself wanting. In this current world, having one source of income is like nightmare. You can't even sleep. But those who have multiple sources of income, they walk with their shoulders up like this, enjoying life, and they feel the best of life. Now, enough of the talking. This is how you build multiple sources of income. Number 1, strengthen your main source of income. Just as in physics, we get our source of power, let's say electricity or lights, from the main station. Your job, business, or primary hustle is your foundation, and that becomes your foundation of building your financial empire. You are definitely going to get income from your main source of energy. What are you going to do with it? Use that source of income for taking care of yourself, your accommodation, your expenses, but most importantly, don't forget to save from your main source of income. The savings is the one that does the magic. Use the savings to invest in other ventures. Now, one of my favorite books, the book that I always recommend for business people, is The Richest Man in Babylon. Yes, The Richest Man in Babylon. And that book, you're actually going to learn a lot. It's going to tell you how to invest wisely, not just invest, but invest wisely. So once you are done saving from your main source of income, you have to invest from your savings. The saving, not just like that, but the investment wisely. You have to invest wisely. Now, in one of my videos, because I'm so passionate about you guys, I'm going to explain everything from that book, The Richest Man in Babylon. So just watch out. Make sure when the video drops, you go and watch, because it's going to be very, very interesting and very educative. Now to number 2, Use your lens well. Your lens, use it well. There are many opportunities around you, but if you don't use your lens well, you can't figure them out. There are so many distractions and many things around you, but if you adjust your focus, you can see the most important ones. Now let me just give you a free business idea. If you're in the university and the freshers come to the university, one thing you have to know is that almost all the freshers will start inquiring for laptops, and that is where the magic comes in. If you are into business, you can start selling laptops. Whilst people are seeing them as students, you are seeing them as money, because they're going to buy laptops from you. If you even get 2% of the population, it means that you are on the road to financial freedom. You can just simply invest your savings, your hard-earned savings, in that venture, and when you do that, definitely, automatically, you are going to get money from there. But here's the one truth that you shouldn't miss. Laptop selling is something that if you don't understand, you can end up wasting money. So what you have to do is that you have to invest wisely. So with the idea of investing, go to someone who understands laptops, who has done the business before, and use your brain. Try to interview the person, have conversation with the person, and the person is going to show you the trick to how to become successful in that venture. And once you start, nothing is going to challenge you. Your business will roar like a lion. Now this brings me to the third step, which is invest wisely. And as I just stated earlier, once you have any opportunity around and you want to invest, make sure you seek counsel, because you can end up wasting or losing all your hard-earned savings. And as my passionate viewer, I don't want this to happen to you. So when you have your hard-earned savings, seek counsel before you invest, before you waste your money. For instance, if you want to also invest in clothes selling, or let's say branding, or other ventures, go to people who have ideas about it. Now you are even fortunate in this era. You can go to YouTube, you can go to TikTok, you can go to other sites, search, and you get people who can train you. You can copy from people and polish it to make it your own, than to just invest without enough research. Bet me, you lose all your money. Now the fourth thing is multiply yourself. Yes, multiply yourself. So divide yourself into 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I can do it. It's not possible, but this is what I'm recommending. Multiply yourself. In what sense? Why you want to have multiple source of income? Know one thing, that you cannot do it alone. Yes, is the gospel truth. You cannot do it alone. Get people to help you. Yes, get people to help you. You cannot do it alone. Build a solid team that each of them will have a particular duty to perform. If it's content creation you want to venture into, you should get someone who edits your video. You should get someone who does the videography. You should get someone who designs your flyers for you, and this will reduce the stress and make you more productive. But here lies the fringy part. People will ask, I don't have money to pay them, because they won't do it for free. Yes, they will do it for free. But what if you also know how to do it? For me personally, I'm into content creation. I edit my videos, I take my videos, I design my flyers, all because I learn skills. Time management, I've spoken about it in one of my videos. So I manage my time well. I take these videos, I get time to edit them, and also venture into other fields. Now, if you don't have the enough funds to pay them as I am, then I advise you that the last point is learn skills. Build upon your skills. There are many ways that you can learn how to design flyers, how to shoot videos, how to edit videos with the help of the internet. Go to YouTube, search, and start learning a skill. And if you're able to put all these things together, number one, you become more productive. Number two, you use your time wisely. Number three, you build multiple sources of income. Because with the idea of videography, you can get people to shoot videos for and get money in your pocket. If it's about graphic designing, you can design flyers for people. So this also brings about a new source of income. So you'll be surrounded by businesses that you are not even aware of. Now, by doing this, you end up protecting your money and also having multiple sources of income. If this video is very interesting for you, I would like that you click the subscription button. Help this video trend. Let every individual hear about this video, and together we can all become financially independent. Thank you for watching. See you next time.